Hi guys, my name is Simon Sticks Toolan. I'm 21 years old. I've been playing the drums for 13 years and I'm the drummer in my band The De Niros, as well as other projects such as Don't Wake the Neighbours, Broke Water, and right now I'm currently playing with two solo artists, this amazing singer called Tasha and another singer called Lara Katrina with her band The Trash Rats. So, what I'm currently using right now are the Collision 5A drumsticks. What I love most about these is that they're perfectly weighted, they feel great in my hands, and they've got really high durability. I've played through a couple of rehearsals and I've recently played a show with these that involves a lot of heavy hitting, and they're still intact, and yeah, that's what I love most about these, high durability. What I also love about Collision is their aspect about community, which really fits in with our goal as the De Niros, as it's so important to have community and other musicians and people around you to support you in the music industry and try to make a living out of doing music. So what I'm going to play for you guys is our song Location Unknown by the De Niros at our most recent gig at the Troubadour in Fulham. Hope you guys enjoy.
Location unknown. Thanks for coming. It's about getting lost and let's get found. On the dance floor. Come on. Come on. Nobody smiles on the outside. Only if you're a picture.